We're here at Lazy Moon Pizza, famous for their giant pizza slices at affordable prices. Tonight they're doing a collab with Little Giant. They're gonna be serving up Krab Rangoon pizzas, Szechuan pepper, dry rub, wings, and Lychee martini. And if you order everything off the menu, you get a free shot of Baijiu. I'm all in for free liquor. I'm super excited to try everything on this menu. Let's head inside. The Lazy Lychee Punch, vodka, fresh lime, lychee, and amarena cherry juice. This was $8. Since we ordered all 3 items off the menu, we got a free shot of Baijiu. Baijiu is a colorless Chinese liquor, and it's usually about 35 to 60% alcohol by volume. There's gonna be one strong shot. All right, we had to sit outside because inside, there's a lot of music out here too, but it's kind of packed inside and the seats are like communal, so I don't want to be bugging anybody either. But this is a beautiful looking drink. Let's try it out. That's nice. It kind of tastes like, let me see what was in it. Oh, it's fresh lime. That's why I kind of thinking that this tastes like a margarita. That's why I'm not getting any lychee flavor though. Yeah, I would just call it a vodka margarita instead of tequila. Tastes really good. I'm gonna give it a 8 out of 10, I'd say. Let's try the Baijiu. I'm gonna taste it. I'm not gonna take a shot. I'm not trying to drink and drive today. I'm trying to stay lawful, right? Ooh, it has a nice little aroma to it. Wow. Smells beautiful, almost like floral. And it tastes, I would say it's kind of like vodka, but it has like a little floral taste to it too. I kind of like it. Now I do feel like taking a shot of it. Since we're next to Lineage Coffee, my daughter decided to try a cold brew. Let's try it out also. See how good this is. Pretty nice. I'm not a coffee drinker. It's sweet. It doesn't taste like a dark roast though.
Very light.
It's very light. It's like a light or medium roast. It does have good flavor though. The star of the show, the Krab Rangoon pizza for $10.75. Cream cheese ricotta, crab, scallions, mozzarella, fried wontons, and a chili duck sauce. Alright guys, I didn't realize my mic was off. Here it is. Gigantic. It's like 1/4 of a pizza, I have to say. Maybe like 2-3 slices. It is. This is the crab right here. Alright, it does hold up. I'm able to fold it. Let's get a bite here. That's very good. Wow. I like the crunchy wontons on there. It's very unique. I don't think I'm a fan of this crab though. It's a cream cheese ricotta. Cream cheese ricotta's nice and creamy. The crab meat, I'm not a fan of this type of crab meat. But it is what it is. It's actually fish, you know, it's imitation crab. I do like the crispy wonton bits and I like the chili sauce. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. I do think it's something that you should try once in your life. It's very unique. It is tasty. It is on the sweeter side though, like I said. Let's try the wings. Mala dry pot wings for $10.95. Numbingly spicy Szechuan dry rub on oven baked wings. Ooh, look at this. It's looking nice and charred. Should be crispy. It is numbing. I feel like one side was bland though, and one side had a lot of seasoning. They definitely grew on me. I like the spice rub on it. The first wing I had only had the rub on one side, so when I first bit into it, it tastes a bit bland. Some crunchy bits too. It kind of reminds me of like Chinese roasted meats, like a chicken, or a Chinese roasted chicken. That's what it reminded me of, with the Szechuan spice rub on it. Pretty nice and numbing. I can't feel my tongue, lips, nothing. We also got the classic calzone for $10.50. Of course, you gotta do extra cheese, and we also added Italian sausage and pepperoni. I feel like their calzones are better than their pizza slices, and one of the reasons you need to visit. All right, this is the calzone we're working with. Sausage, pepperoni, and then extra taste. I had it a while back. I thought it was pretty good. I don't know what rating I gave it, so we gotta try it again. Thankfully, because it's looking pretty good. Wow, this is pretty good. It is super delicious, but it reminds me more like a stromboli. I don't really see or taste any ricotta cheese. I don't know if you have to ask for it specifically, but I thought it was gonna have some. It's delicious though. Really nice. I'm gonna call it a stromboli, and I'm gonna give it a 8.5. As a calzone, no ricotta, 4. Brings us to the end of this video. Catch you guys next time at the next pop-up.